What's up guys, Rich here, and today we are going to unbox SWC's newest collection, the Tremor. And I'm excited to see the color, which I shouldn't be because I initially ordered this in orange, but I changed it to purple and SWC let me know that they were able to stop the order and from my orange. So I'm really excited to see this. So here we go. This is their usual or their new, their leather packaging here. And I come to realize I think this makes a really great travel pouch more than maybe storing it every day. But I think it's a good travel pouch. Okay. Richard, thank you very much for your order and supporting me. It's a great deal to us. We hope you enjoy your Tremor for many years to come. Best regards, Stephen, Josh, Jacob, and Jeremy Romer. So good guys. And here, okay, this is like a warranty, and let's make sure that this is, ta-da, oh yeah, this is the purple. Really, really nice. I'm glad I went with the purple instead of the orange. And I did like the orange a lot. I mean, they have a lot of great colors. They have, in addition to the purple, they have orange, a teal, a blue, and a black. Just really vibrant colors. This purple looks sharp. I don't know if there's a sticker. Doesn't look like there's a sticker on the case here, but really nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 link bracelet, quick release, spring bars. They call oil pressed that solid case back with the Tremor on there. Really nice. And what I know about this is it is in 42 millimeters. It's water resistant to 300 meters, and it's not the same watch, just in a smaller version of their original one. This is their original divers in 44 millimeters, but it's an entirely different watch, entirely different case, not just a smaller or shrunken version. The bracelets, similar, no, not really the same. It is entirely different, so I wasn't sure if it was just going to be a smaller version of this, but it's not. And this has been serving me great all these years. This has a ceramic bezel, and I believe the Tremor has a sapphire bezel inlay. Really great purple. And SWC, it's a Swiss-made watch, like all SWCs, hence the name Swiss Watch Company. But they've always also been really known for their lume. But on this one, they have what they call a new technique for their lume, using it in its raw powder form instead of trying to conform that powder into a clay or a paste used to convert it to as lume. So it's supposed to be stronger and more potent than in its raw powder form than the other forms of lume. But again, SWC has always been known for their great lume. So, and it is not a fully lumed dial, which I am glad. I'm not a fan of fully lumed dial. I just like the indices and the hands to have strong lume as well as on the bezel. So I'm glad it's not a fully lumed dial, and this looks really sharp. This is a nice shade of purple. So, I mean, orange would have been great, and I was going back and forth between the orange and the purple, but I'm really glad I went with the purple. So this is just really giving a nice, strong first impressions and a really great shade of purple. So this I know goes for $6.95, so it's still a nice value. I know this uses a Sellita 200 automatic movement. I think the original divers, I think that might have been the ETA 2024. This one is using the Sellita. So really nice what I'm seeing here. I think I'm going to enjoy this a lot. So great first impressions. Thank you for letting me share this unboxing of SWC's Tremor, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.